The continuation of the 11.2 exercise, the fourth problem is it right to say that cos of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 sin 30? First, from the table, we can write the values of the cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to sin 60 value. Cos 60 is equal to sin 30 value. We know that sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1. Then cos sin 60 is 1 by 2. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. Next here, what they have given, cos of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. It is nothing but cos of 60 plus 30, cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 value is 0. First, we can check LHS is equal to cos of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 90 degrees equal to, we know the value cos 90 is 0. Cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Next, to find out the right hand side terms, that is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. It is equal to cos 60 value is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. After the product of this, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. So the same terms with subtraction means we will get the 0. From the LHS and RHS, both values are equal to 0, then we can write as cos of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 degrees sin 30 degrees. That is nothing but it can be written as cos of A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This will come in the +1 standard. The next problem is fifth one. In right angle triangle, triangle PQR, right angle is at Q. We can draw the right angle triangle. Here, right angle at Q means this is the 90 degrees. We can write PQR. Here, PQ is 6 centimeter, at Q is 90 degrees. Then RPQ, that is nothing but the P vertex is the middle vertex. At that, the angle is 60 degrees. Determine the length of QR and PR. So that is nothing but QR is the opposite side, PR is the hypotenuse. What they have given that angle Q equal to 90 degrees and angle P equal to 60 degrees, PQ equal to 6 centimeter. By the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse, that is PR square is equal to RQ square plus PQ square. Here, from this, we can write sin 60 degrees is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos 60 degrees is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan 60 degrees equal to opposite by adjacent. So here we know the value of Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Here cos 60 is 1 by 2. Tan 60 is root 3. So here from the equating of 6 centimeter by y is equal to 1 by 2. That is nothing but y equal to PR. We can take it is PR. From this, PR is equal to 6 to 12. Next here, if we know the PR, then we can write here sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to x by PR is 12. That is y is equal to 12 centimeter. From this, 2 ones are 2 6 are x equal to 6 root 3. That is x is QR. Just we can check here. QR square means 6 6 are 36 into 3 plus 6 6 are 36. It is equal to 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 3 3s are 9, 108 plus 36 is equal to 144. This is equal to 12 square. Therefore, QR equal to 6 root 3, PR is equal to 12 centimeter. So this is the way how to do. In that, what are the known values and how we can take and which are the substituting the which known values and from that how we are getting. Here also directly we are get from the tan 60 x equal to 6 root 3. If you take sin 60 x equal to 6 root 3. Okay. Whatever the value, whatever the function we can take, the values are same. That's our idea only. Next problem, sixth one, in triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y, YZ is equal to X, XZ is equal to 2X. We can draw the right angle triangle. Here at Y, it is Y, X, Y, Z is the right angle triangle, it is 90 degrees. Here YZ length is X centimeter, XZ length is 2X centimeter. Determine angle X. What they have given? Given angle Y is equal to 90 degrees. The length of YZ side is X centimeter. The length of XZ is equal to 2X. Here we can take, suppose here X is the angle. That is sin X is equal to opposite by, that is YZ by XZ. From this, YZ is equal to X, XZ is equal to 2X, XX cancel, it is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to sin 30 degrees. So, from this, we can write angle X equal to 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. And to find out the angle Z, we can take cos Z. Why? Because known values are adjacent. Cos Z is equal to, this is the Z angle. Z angle means this is the adjacent, it is the hypotenuse. So from the cos trigonometry ratios YZ by XZ, it is equal to X by 2X. XX cancel, it is 1 by 2. It is equal to cos of 60 degrees. That is nothing but cos Z equal to cos 60. Then angle Z is equal to 60 degrees. And we know the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. One is 90, another one is 30, the third one is 60. Here also we got the 60 degrees. So it's correct. Therefore, angle YXZ is equal to 30 degrees and angle YZX equal to 60 degrees. So from the given conditions, so we have to find out the angles by the given ratios. Seventh problem is Is it right to say that sine of A plus B equal to sine A plus sine B? Justify your answer. Suppose we can take in the right angle triangle, A is equal to 45, A equal to 30 degrees, B equal to 60 degrees. Then sine of 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to sine 90 degrees. It is equal to 1. Another one is sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. The sum of sine 30 plus sine 60 is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Taking the LCM, 1 plus root 3 by 2, it is not equal to sine 30 plus 60. Why? Because sine 30 plus 60 is equal to 1. So, sine of A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. So, it is wrong. Therefore, it's wrong.